Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video I'm going to be showing you a website that can help you earn money online. No matter where you are, no matter what you are doing, you can do this right now. It's a very simple and straightforward website that can help you earn money by just doing simple tasks. Before we jump right into the video, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. Anywhere down this video you're gonna see a subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I create content like this. Let's go into the video now. I'm going to be taking you to the site. This is the site. Not to waste you guys time, I've already reloaded the site down. I've reloaded it down so you can see it for yourself. You see, the site is saying you have a unique possibility of access to Newgram technology. It is a new platform and incredible opportunity. Let's go for more. Let me scroll down for you. Let me tell you, the website we're going to be talking about is Gramfree. Gramfree is a blockchain based digital program developed to be fast and safe and scalable and capable of processing millions of transactions per second. And this is a new platform that can help you earn money because their blockchain that is fast and safe, scalable and capable of processing transactions per second. And actually they deal mostly with Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is there's a new coming up currency in town now. You can see how many people have signed smart contract with them. Over a million, over I think 114 million people from everywhere around the world have signed contract with them. These are people using the platform right now. You guys need to hurry up and go start making money. I'm gonna drop a link, and there are also some review videos. I can tell you guys, I don't know how much more to explain this to you, but you guys can see for yourself when you go to the website. You can see the videos, the reviews of people's testimonies about earning on the website. So now before I go more further, I'm gonna drop the link for you to sign up in the description below. Thanks you guys for watching this video. If you see this video helpful and useful to you, I'd like you to hit this like button, and also you can leave a comment below in the section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.